Hi guys, this is Susu. Yes, we are at CIFF exhibition. Today, let me show you our Lusail sofa. Do you remember our Lusail sofa we designed at 2022? Yes, we got very good feedback during this year. We selling very popular, so 2025 we upgrade our model, like we put the middle side table and the shape of the armrest, each details curved shape. We inspired by the Lusail Building, Qatar. Yes. So this time we upgrade that because we selling popular, and then we put the middle side table, and then we also design this is the lounge sofa, very comfortable. So I think each family you should have the lounge sofa like our style. So totally this is set is from our Milio 579 to original design. So from this time CIFF exhibition, we got very good feedback from our new customer and old customer. So thanks for your coming to check out this model, Lusail sofa.